Good morning, sir. Myself, Krish Bhargad. My today's lecture topic is Indo-US relationships. First of all, we should know the historical background of their relationships. During the Cold War era, when all the countries of the world were aligned with either of the two power blocs, USSR, the Warsaw Pact nations, as well as USA-led Western Bloc, which were the NATO countries. At that time, the India adopted the non-alignment policy and didn't cooperate with either of the two power blocs. This was pursued negatively by the Americans. In the early 1950s, when India was hugely dependent upon USSR as well as USA for its development and food loans, at that time the contribution and the help of USA was extremely high. India is the seventh largest country in the globe geographically in the terms of area with 7,000 km long coastline bordering the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Talking about America, America is the third largest country in the terms of area with approximately 20,000 kilometers of long coastline bordering the Northern Pacific Ocean as well as the Northern Atlantic Ocean. Strategic relationships of India and USA developed when the Americans saw the development of the People's Republic of China and their contribution in the Korean War. As in the later 1950s, the China and Indian relationships were also heated up, so America saw it as a golden opportunity. In this way, we can say that China is the reason for the strategic relationships between India and America. Talking about the political administration of both the countries, India is a democratic country which is said as the largest democratic country in the world, as well as America is the oldest democratic country. In India, the federal system is also not pure, as well as the unitary system is also not purely accepted. India is a union of various states. Talking about America, America has a federal system in which every state has its own constitution and the power is divided in the central government as well as the state government. Trade is a very important aspect if we are talking about the bilateral relationships of any countries. In trade terms, India is America's ninth largest trading partner as well as America is India's second largest trading partner. The question is that why do USA needs India? USA needs India as it want to make a control over China. The second thing is that America want to stop the spread of the Islamic terrorism in the world. So the Indians population in America is hugely high. So also to protect their political power, they take decisions in the favor of Indians.